Today I am going to be showing you all my slimes that I have at my dad's house. So the first one is called a banana regular slime. And I just actually made this one today. It's just very far. And my cousin actually is taking the video. She's right next to me. So this is my yellow one.
Hey, tell me when you're done with that one. You done?
So the next one is my blue raspberry one. It's actually a light blue raspberry one. Something's going on out there. Just a minute. Just for a couple minutes. This one's actually like thick because I added white paint in it today, so it's like a little thick, not like this part where it's like where it looks it's not like this one where it's like shiny and it's like very squishy. This one's just like a little squishy. So this one is actually not one of my, it's okay, but it's not one of my favorites. So let me go get the next one. Okay, so this is my key lime slime. And this is a regular slime. I don't have, this was actually turning into like a iceberg slime, then I started to play with it. So this one is the key lime slime. Okay, so the next one is a green grass slime.
I know, I love it too.
And this is a original slime. There's no different slimes. No, like, different slimes.
I did it during class.
So, don't know. So, it's just very far. It's a little sticky, but that's pretty good.
Yeah, I know. It's really fun.
Thanks a lot, sister.
You're welcome, sister.
Okay, so the next one is in here, the Play-Doh container, but it's actually slime, not Play-Doh. So it's this light blue one. I don't know what I call this one yet. I think I'm going to call this one Sky Blue. So this is this one. Let me put it in a swirl. So this one is the Sky Blue. That was my sister's iPad.
Okay.
So this is the Sky Blue. Hold on, don't pause yet. Hold on, let's see if let me see if I can get another one. No, hold on, let me take it out. It's like block putty.
When do you
Okay. So this is the next one. This is my other green grass one. It's exactly the same color. So let's open it.
This time I'm gonna take like a big nap before I come over, and then I'm not gonna be like this time.
So here's the swirl. Might have just moved the camera, but oh well. Uh-oh.
I have to go to
Uh-oh.
bed like now because I have OA testing
Uh-oh.
I have to go to bed like now, but like I'm still using my phone and like looking at my
Boom, boom,
because
boom,
I have
boom,
OA
boom,
testing
boom.
tomorrow for math and it like sucks. Yeah.
So, that was the...
Gosh, you guys did science. If we come to my
So I
dad's
hope you
house
guys
in the summertime, we're
enjoyed my
gonna
slime
school.
video. Tell me in the comments down below if I should make more slime videos. Subscribe to my channel and comment down when
But like
I'm
at
done.
my dad's house, we only have like a
Bye
pool,
everyone.
like,
Have a great day.